Feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights.
Okay, are you ready for the tutorial? Let's go. But before we go to the tutorial, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and share this tutorial with your friends. This time I will take a video of the flowers from the bottom view. I take the third video from the view while I am walking slowly. Take a little longer because later we want to increase its speed from the curves technique.
So alive, make it last forever. Stop in time, yeah, I'm surrendering. Hold tight, chemicals.
Don't you agree with me that the clouds were painted in the sky that day?
Hold tight, dripping lights.
I will put a small cut of the sky video first, and then between the first video and the second one I put the transition pull in, and the video effects that I use for this part is back to focus. I put the speed into 38, rotate and range to 100, blur to 18, and I use camera dance video effects for the end of the second video. And I set the glow to 50, blur to 54, speed to 33, range to 67 and size to 51. And transition between the second and third video is up. And a video effect that I use for the end of the third video is wide angle distortion. I set the intensity to 100, blur to 25, lateral chromatic aberration to 59, horizontal to 50, and vertical to 54. And transition between the third and fourth video is spin clockwise. And video effect that I use for fourth video is lens blur. I set the range to 18, blur to 23, filter to 83. And I select the fourth video and go to the speed and go to the curve section and set the curve like I show in the video. And transition that I use between the fourth and fifth video is drop 3. And I split the part of the last video and put the transition infinite 2 between them. And that's it. I hope you like it. If you like, subscribe to the channel for more tutorials and don't forget to hit that notification bell for more tutorials.